How to correctly override Figma components. Imagine you have a set of buttons or icons in your design system, and you want to customize some of them without losing the connection to the original. That's where overriding Figma components comes into play. It's a way to make specific changes to instances of a main component while still keeping those updates linked to the original. This makes your design process faster and keeps everything consistent. First, you need to create a component. Select a frame or a group of layers, then click on the Create Component button. Once you have your main component, you can make instances by dragging it from your Assets panel or duplicating it. These instances are like copies that stay connected to the main component. To override a component correctly, start by selecting the instance you want to change. Make sure you don't select the main component itself. Now, you can change properties that Figma supports for overrides. These include text content, font, size, line height, and letter spacing. You can also change fill colors, opacity, strokes, shadows, and even swap nested components like icons. It's important not to change the structure of the instance. That means you shouldn't move layers around, reorder them, or change constraints inside auto layout frames. If you do, the link to the main component breaks, and you'll have to detach the instance, which means losing the connection. Using consistent layer names inside your components helps a lot. If you plan to swap variants or nested components, matching layer names like button text or icon makes sure your overrides stay intact when switching. Nested components are also useful because they let you build complex, flexible designs. You can override properties within nested components without breaking the overall structure. Set descriptions and constraints inside your main components to guide how they resize and behave. This helps keep your design predictable when you make overrides. Combining component properties and variants allows you to create adaptable components that fit different needs without detaching instances. Whenever you update the main component, all connected instances will automatically get those updates. They keep their individual overrides, though, so you can still customize each one. This setup is perfect for building scalable design systems, especially in graphic design Saas workflows. You can reuse buttons, icons, or text styles across projects, saving time and reducing mistakes. Remember, overriding is about changing appearance and content within supported properties while keeping the core structure intact. This balance helps you maintain a flexible yet consistent design system in Figma.